To find the value of x plus y in this figure, we will first of all need to find the value of x, y, and the x angles. And to do that, we will use this sum of angles in a straight line here to find the value of x. So we have here y plus x plus y equals 180 degree. If we open the bracket, we have y plus x plus y equals 180 degree. Y plus y is 2y plus x equals 180 degree. Let's make x the subject and subtract 2y from both sides. We have x equals 180 minus 2y degree. Now we have a value for x. So this angle here is now 180 minus 2y. Okay, so with this known angle now, we can use it to find the value of y. So 180 minus 2y plus y plus 73 equals 180 degree. And the reason is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle equals 180 degree. So let's add together. 180 plus 73 will give 253 minus 2y plus y will give minus y equals 180 degree. Let's subtract 253 from both sides. So if we subtract, we have minus y equals minus 73. This minus will cancel out, so we have y equals 73. Okay, so with this known angle y, we can now find the value of x by substituting 73 for y in this expression. So x equals 180 minus 2y, and this is equals to 180 minus 2 times 73. This would give 180 minus 146, and 180 minus 146 will give us 34 degree. So the value of x now is now equal to 34 degree. So now the question wants us to find the value of x plus y. So which is just very easy to do. Since x equals 34 degree and y equals 73 degree, we can simply add up to find the value of x plus y by doing 34 plus 73. So x plus y degree equals 107 degree as our answer. I hope you found this very easy to understand. If you did, please do not forget to leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.